Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share some interesting informations about the world's most dangerous bird, cassowary. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon, to get my video updates regularly. This is our Breathe In Breathe Out channel, keep moving. The southern cassowary is the third tallest, and second heaviest living bird, which is smaller than the ostrich, and emu. Cassowaries feed mainly on fruit, although all species are truly omnivorous, and will take a range of other plant food, including shoots and grass seeds, in addition to fungi, invertebrates, and small vertebrates. Cassowaries are very wary of humans, but if provoked, they are capable of inflicting serious, even fatal injuries to both dogs and people. The cassowary has often been labeled the world's most dangerous bird. Distribution and habitat. Cassowaries are native to the humid rainforests of New Guinea, nearby smaller islands, East Nusa Tenggara, the Maluku Islands, and to northeastern Australia. They will, however, venture out into palm scrub, grassland, savanna, and swamp forest. It is unclear whether some island populations are natural or the result of human trade in young birds. Birds in captivity. The cassowary has solitary habits, and breeds less frequently in zoos, than other ratites such as ostrich, and emu. Unlike other ratites, it lives exclusively in tropical rainforest, and it is important to recreate this habitat carefully. Unlike the emu, which will live with other sympatric species, such as kangaroos in mixed Australian fauna displays, the cassowary does not cohabit well among its own kind. Individual specimens must even be kept in separate enclosures, due to their solitary and aggressive nature. Territoriality is one of their most important characteristics. Relationship with humans. Some New Guinea Highlands societies capture cassowary chicks, and raise them as semi-tame poultry, for use in ceremonial gift exchanges, and as food. They are the only indigenous Australasian animal, known to have been partly domesticated by people, prior to European arrival. Cassowary attacks. Cassowaries have a reputation for being dangerous to people, and domestic animals. During World War II, American and Australian troops stationed in New Guinea, were warned to steer clear of them. The first documented human death caused by a cassowary was on April 6, 1926. In Australia, 16-year-old Philip McLean, and his brother aged 13, came across a cassowary on their property, and decided to try and kill it by striking it with clubs. The bird kicked the younger boy, who fell and ran away, as his older brother struck to the bird. The older McLean then tripped, and fell to the ground. While he was on the ground, the cassowary kicked him in the neck, opening a 1.25 centimeters wound, that may have severed his jugular vein. The boy died of his injuries shortly thereafter. Cassowary strikes to the abdomen are among the rarest of all, but there is one case of a dog, that was kicked in the belly in 1995. The blow left no puncture, but there was severe bruising. The dog later died from an apparent intestinal rupture. Another human death due to a cassowary was recorded in Florida, on April 12, 2019. The bird's owner, a 75-year-old man who had raised the bird, was apparently clawed to death after he fell to the ground. Status and conservation. The southern cassowary is endangered in Queensland. Coffrin and Chapman assessed the decline of this species. They found that, of the former cassowary habitat, only 20 to 25% remains. They stated that habitat loss and fragmentation is the primary cause of decline. They then studied 140 cases of cassowary mortality, and found that, motor vehicle strikes accounted for 55% of the deaths, and dog attacks produced another 18%. Remaining causes of death included hunting, 5 cases, entanglement in wire, 1 case, the removal of cassowaries that attacked humans, 4 cases, and natural causes, 18 cases, including tuberculosis, 4 cases. The cause for 14 cases were indicated, for unknown reasons. Hand feeding of cassowaries poses a significant threat to their survival because it lures them into suburban areas. There, the birds are more susceptible to encounters with vehicles and dogs. In February 2011, Cyclone Yasi destroyed a large area of cassowary habitat, endangering 200 of the birds, approximately 10% of the total Australian population. The Mission Beach community in far north Queensland holds an annual Cassowary festival in September, where funds are raised to map the Mission Beach Cassowary corridor. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon to get my video updates regularly. This is our Breathe In Breathe Out channel. Keep moving.